Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, residents of Trenchtown are bemoaning sewage water, which they say have been running on Cooley Smith Drive since Saturday, impacting businesses in the community. Speaking with the Observer, one businessman said the sewage water has since caused a decline in drink sales. When I hear these things, my wisdom warriors, sewage water are run all over upon the road, all over upon the street, and all now NWC or NWA or whatever you call them. All now they not turn up to sort out this a problem here. Mighty God, just hear what the resident them have to say.
You have a restaurant beside me, and you know normally the more people come buy food, we get more sale like in water and juice. So knowing that this water running right now, it kind of slow up my business. But as I say, them call the truck from yesterday, because this water have been running from Saturday. So I don't know why, the people them not effective, say. A thing like this, remember, say a business, my business a license business, I pay tax to the government for this business, so it should have more, Them should have moved to it a little quicker. But no, so boy, this is a little business here, right, so.
So you say less sales since this?
Yeah, man, less sales, because from morning, see them normally me that sell more juice, more water, more people that sit right here. Yeah, man. So we need a truck who comes to see you now, come and doing this. We thought you were someone like from Solid Waste or one of those people, or, NWC or one of the people there. So it's a good thing you are doing right now for make the people them, because when you highlight this, them sister them thing are the pipe, them pipe are most like might be from the 60s. So them pipe are need for change out, because remember the population I get more, so more water use. So it need for the government or whosoever need to come change out them pipe system. Because if you notice, right, so is a essential part of the community, because here's like the taxi stand where the people them go out and in. You have the vehicle them. We go cross road at the vehicle. Remember like the school children them coming from school with water like this, running the vehicle them, some of them are speed. If you notice, them have to put something in the road for kind of slow down. So when them water splash up all from the little children them come from school, and the people them things can break out germs and cause a lot of disease. So this need to dwelt with. Yeah, man.
It affect the people them.
How bad it's affecting?
It affect when you acquire pick them at school, you have to take up all stone for them not splash you. Because them a drive fast, because them nearly do me this morning. I have to take up 2 stones. When them tell them say, after this. I run. Because when them a driver come in, all them say, them still a speed a come, like them want to wet up. And people will fling stone at them car.
So them have splash up nobody before?
Regular them do it, regular. Just up to this morning, I have to take up 2 stones. Them not splash up them a grand pit them. I cry them a bus stop for carry them at school.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear what the resident them say. Wanna see what is going on. Them call them, and I like say they not call them, but they no move swiftly. They don't move swiftly. You understand? Them just a time wasters. Look at something like this now. All them are sitting here. All them are sitting here can give people disease, bacteria disease. All them are sitting here can make people have sepsis, You don't know that? This John, sometimes I don't understand. Sometimes I just not get them. I not get them. I hear the lady I say, sometimes when them a walk, she bring her picnic or grand picnic, go to school, they carry them a drive fast and a splash up people and all them something there. She have to take up all 2 stone. Bombard. Lord Jesus. Mighty God. Only hope them come out and fix this. You understand? I hope them come out and fix it as soon as possible. Because them are something in right. Them are something in right. Look on all the video clip on me show now what go down a Yala St. Thomas. Even today, the water still a overflow. Them a waste water. And so them are going to charge people for it. Them gonna charge people for it. They ain't gonna go dig up the road and water waste over 1 week now, and all know the NWC no come out and do nothing about it. So these people, them just slow. Them very, very slow. 9 people died in motor vehicle crashes on the weekend. The deceased including brothers who were driving motorcycles in Spot Valley, St. James. My wisdom warriors, me think me did talk about this already, but me just do a recap of this one. Not recap of everything, just a recap because I know everybody watch every single videos. You understand? So 9 people killed in road crashes on the weekend. You know hear that? 9. The Hunts Bay police have laid charges against the suspect who was being sought for the murder of a woman in the Nelson Road community off Maxfield Avenue. Romario Grant, otherwise called Kaka and Irons, has been charged for the murder of Irene Leng. So, there we go. Only hear what I from what I want. The reason why I bring this back up, you know, so I always read out them something on phone, so I just give you a follow up of what is happening today. So, suspect charged for woman's murder of Maxfield Avenue. Finally, my wisdom warriors, because majority of the time when people get killed is like them don't find the person who do it. Yes, so me just make everybody know what go down. All right, so I just want to say rest in peace again, and my condolence goes out to Irene family. Executive Director of Jamaicans for Justice, JFJ, Michael Jackson, is calling for an appropriate balance to be found between respecting constitutional rights and the need for the introduction of unexplained wealth orders. Thank you, JFJ. Thank you for coming out and speaking up about this situation, because we have a prime minister that don't respect the constitution. Yeah, you saw here the Labour right them come out and say JFJ them a PNP. Everything them say, every single thing them say, them a PNP, because the people them speak the truth. And when the people them speak the truth, my wisdom warriors, the Labour right them come out and I say PNP. Like, me just not understand these people. You know what they want? They want with it allow Andrew Holness, thiefness and criminal thieving habit to slide. No. We don't want a criminal prime minister. We don't want a criminal prime minister Jamaica. And if Jamaican people are go say they want Andrew Holness, thieving habit to slide, something really wrong with you. Because if uno thief, if uno citizen, including uno labor right and PNP, if uno thief, me know so the judge now go make uno slide. Uno go to prison till uno piss up. So wait, so why uno want for Andrew Holness thieving a bit for slide? Me not understand uno. You know. None at all. But anyway, my wisdom warriors, the orders would permit law enforcement to seek a judicial declaration allowing them to seize assets where an individual is unable to explain the source of their wealth. Wanna hear this, my wisdom warriors? The orders would permit law enforcement to seek a judicial declaration allowing them to seize assets where an individual is unable to explain the source of their wealth. The unexplained wealth orders are being considered as a means of combating corruption in the country. Yeah? So right now, the JFJ is calling for balance between the constitutional rights and unexplained wealth orders. You understand? Andrew Holness no respect the constitution at all. We see that. We see that, my wisdom warriors. Yeah? And you see, you hear the JFJ coming out and they're talking about the unexplained wealth orders. Andrew Holness and Horace Chang want that for just, demolish. They want the unexplained wealth to demolish the orders, yeah. And I know so this not go for the citizen, it only go for the ministers, them and public officials. And them alone go for. So them for thief and they not get prosecuted. They not nobody not press charges upon them. You know what? The IC them now, my wisdom warriors, have their lawyer, Mr. Hilton. Me see the labor right them, I say, look, the IC get PNP lawyer. That PNP lawyer was the lawyer for Philip Palwell, was the lawyer for Peter Bunting, was the lawyer for this, was the lawyer for that. But one thing me say they miss out. That PNP lawyer, Mr. Hilton. Let me put it like that too, since I say my PNP. Hello, that PNP lawyer was the same very lawyer that take Andrew Holness to court. Because Andrew Holness break the constitution about the needs and win. Every single case this man get and fight against the government, him win it. Him win it. You don't know why? This man is a constitutional liar. Him know the constitution. And guess what? You can't go over the constitution. So no matter what they'll write, Chuck, I put DPP for join judicial review, it not go work. It not go work. You understand? Because we, the citizen, we, the Jamaican people, not you, Andrew Holness, not on the Jamaica Labour Party, we, the true Jamaicans, respect the law of the lands. We respect the law of the lands. I mean, no, Andrew Holness, it better you resign, because you're going to lose that case here. You know, see, I would up on the case. Uno labor writer spread propaganda. Uno come like a some idiot. Uno out there spread and a spread and a spread. I say, uno go get a piece of ass, you see? Uno better tell Andrew Holness to resign, because, hey, Lord Jesus, we might go embarrass Uno. Not only Uno, we might go embarrass Jamaica upon the forefront. Lord Jesus. Me feel all the way. Andrew Holness, there's no way you're going to win this. There is no way you're going to win this, brother. Seriously, you need to pack your bag and go. You need to resign. You're too stubborn, man. You come and take with charity money. Have your charity money in your account. Buy your personal asset. Have your money for 4 years. Remember, you use the money, you know, and you buy your personal asset. You not pay back the charity. You not pay back the charity. You know, so this money I bring down things by himself, my wisdom warriors, because this man come out and say he have charity, you know, remember, you know, and he make people send donation funding to that charity. Then now, he might tell the court say, in charity no register. A prison Andrew Holness figure. Because if I did for me and for your charity, you don't know how it go. Prison figure. Say, you man, Lord Jesus, we are finding out all heap of things. How can not that charity registered? Andrew Holness, are you come out, are you right? It's in your affidavit. Are you right it, brother? Say your charity. You use it for business. But you tell people to donate to it. You cannot do that. You can't use your personal account or your personal business and I tell people to donate to it. You cannot do that. Me telling you, Andrew Holness is a businessman, you know. All the Jamaican people still not listen. Me telling you, he's a businessman. This man is not no politician. He just come in there to get rich. He just come to get rich. Me hear some people say, oh, no, listen, I don't have a problem if Andrew Holness get rich. But how are you getting rich? How are you getting rich? That me want to know. Yeah, I use taxpayer money to get rich. I can't thief from poor people, brother. You can't come and thief from poor people. You can't come and thief from poor people. You're rich and poor people still poor. No, Sankin and go sing so. I'm here the little dirty kin labor right them. Have a next thing saying about how PJ thief. Yeah? So what? PJ thief. So wait there. So PJ thief. According to Uno say PJ thief. So through PJ thief now, we fi allow Andrew Holness to slide. No, Sankin and go sing so. We are use Andrew Holness as an example. We are use him as an example to bright and rank and stink and out of order about PGT. So what if Andrew Holness thief too? I saw the labor right them out here say no. I saw the labor right them I say. PJ thief. You don't have proof? Bring your proof come. Bring your proof and bring your evidence come give me. You don't bring it. Come here search and I can't find it. Is there proof? Bring the proof and bring the evidence come and give it to me. That me want to do. But you can't do that. You can't do that. You out here just attack. Finsack. Bring the evidence. We're asking, you know, from when Omar Davis I tell Nigel Clark to release it. From 2021, Nigel Clark have that report sitting down on. You know what that? From 2021, Nigel Clark, the government of Jamaica use so much money, how much millions of dollars, and them go and do investigation pan Finsack, and then get the report and afraid to release it. Why? Because of them Deppon, and the labor right them Deppon. That's why they can't release it. We've been asking for it, and only can't release it. So guess what now? Look at dirty kin. labor right. Uno stop yap, cause uno not have no proof and no evidence. Stop yap. Uno don't have no proof and uno don't have no evidence. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, want to tell me what I think about that. I want to take a look at this clip. I really want to show them my people over here, you know. But something I want to point out to you know, and show and say, when I hear some people come out and talk my wisdom warriors, then talking probably so nice and sound good. And say, boy, she sound good when she attack. But what they actually saying don't make sense. So listen to this. This is a laborite blogger or vlogger, or what she want to call herself. We campaign for Andrew honest day in and day out, and now come out and tell the Jamaican people the truth. She misled the Jamaican people all the time. And the thing is, when we read the comment section, they actually really believe her. It is sad. It is a dark day for Jamaica with people like these. Take a look at this.
Please to make a video about Andrew and the illicit aid I'm waiting.
All right, my wisdom warriors. Wanna hear what she just said? Wanna hear what she just said? Somebody asked her to please to make a video about Andrew Honest and the illicit aid they're waiting. So listen to her response and tell me, you see, tell me if this your person here makes sense. Does hear what she has say? She a go around it, she don't want to talk about the illicit aid because it's a propaganda. This girl is a one little liar. This girl is a little liar girl. And anybody sit down and listen to her. You see, she's so nice when she talk, but she chat pure shit. She chat pure shit. Me can't believe. Listen, I was so disappointed because me hear, you know some of them will come out and talk. Yeah? I may listen to her 1 and 2 times. But when me hear somebody ask her to explain and she a go around and a come round the bush like she a bush rat, it just not add up to me. It just not add up to me. My wisdom warriors, take a listen. Hear how she answer the people them. Lord Jesus, my body hurt me 2 sides and 3 corners. Hear this.
Waiting on what? Until thine kingdom come? Until pigs fly? Are you not tired? Are you guys not tired? I am convinced that every time an Orange Ranger fix them mouth or them hand for type some level of nonsense, God's supposed to roll in my eye.
So you hear what she say? When an orange person, she said basically when a PNP type something, yeah, God type nonsense and rubbish according to she. This is official documents. The illicit aid is an official document. Andrew Wholeness is a part of the illicit enrichment. It's on an official document. So when I hear this lady talking like this, me tell her say them say they ain't got school and they ain't got university, but them come out here and mislead the Jamaican people and lie all the time. This is what they do. This is what they do, my wisdom warriors, and I do feel sorry for the people of Jamaica, the one them wanna really understand what's going on. I really do feel sorry because somebody like her is out here misleading the people. She's not telling the truth. She's not. But when you hear her talk, she sound good, yes. They say, wow, she's so nice. That means that she tell the truth. This is how our average Jamaican think. Well, some of them think. You understand? So, lady, you need to stop it. You need to stop it. There's illicit. You exactly know what is going on. Stop misleading our Jamaican people. Stop it, young lady. It is not cool. It is not nice. Don't mislead my Jamaican people. I don't like it. I do not like it. And I'm speaking up for the behalf of the people of Jamaica that don't understand, that don't read. You need to stop it. You need to stop it. You look in the camera and lying to us. You need to stop it, young lady. It is not cool. It is not cool. I don't know if they're paying you. I don't know what you're getting from it. But come on. Come on. You understand? You see all the documents. And I like say you don't see it unless you don't read it. Because you don't want to know. But don't come out and mislead my Jamaican people, girl. Don't do that. Come out and, oh, what should I talk about? Hey, girl, where?
Because him can't believe it's a film creation, them here, that just lack brain cells.
God can't believe it's a film creation this will lack brain cells. Because the person asks you to talk about the illicit aid including Andrew Holness, and you attack. Don't bring God in our no little liar mouth. Your little liar mouth. Take God out of your liar mouth, little girl. Stop it. Hey, then dangerous, you know? That's why I say, me just bring her. Me not even gonna make she finish. Seriously. Me not gonna make she finish. Me not really want to bring her upon my channel, my Wisdom Warriors. But when I see it, me just want to show you the level of liarness. Jesus, mercy. Wow, there's official documents out here. Official documents out here telling us that Andrew Holness under investigation for illicit enrichment, and this young lady out here chatting, beating up her gum, beating up her tongue, beating up her teeth, and misleading my people. My Wisdom Warriors, it don't sit well with me. When you have people like her speak very well, you know, sound intelligent, and you know how some Jamaican is. Once them hear you start, you know, you sound intelligent and you speak very well, they say, I tell you that she attacking now. Show him attacking now. I don't know what the thing said already. So I am so disappointed in this young lady. You need to talk about the illicit aid. You need to go through it, talk about Marissa Dalrymple. Talk about that. You don't talk about the things, them girl.
You guys have been using the same rhetoric for how long now? And do you not realize that it's not working? People do not care about your propaganda and lies and misinformation.
Wanna hear what she said, my Wisdom Warriors? People don't care. Is that what you really think? Is that what you really think? We don't care about SSL money going into Andrew Holness' account. You think we, the Jamaican people, don't care about charity money going into Andrew Holness' account? You really think that, young lady? You really think that? And you're out here saying it is propaganda when there's official document? Lady, get a grip. Get a hold of yourself. Yeah? Get a hold of yourself. You understand me? Do the right thing. Do the right thing. Because you're not a fool, girl. Do the right thing. You understand? You see enough of them, girl. Jesus Christ. My Wisdom Warriors, you know what? Believe it or no. Uno just storm up the comment section. Like and share out this video. Subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, remember to follow me on TikTok, IG, and X. The link are there in the comment section. You can join my WhatsApp group by texting yes to 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.